Imagine being able to earn money online just by reading. In this video, I'll demonstrate and teach you how to do just that. First and foremost, today's methods are totally free and successful everywhere in the world. Secondly, you learn everything you need to know to get started on the process, including all necessary details and a step-by-step plan, so you can begin earning right away. After watching it, you'll also see exactly how much money you can make and how easy it is. If you don't take advantage of this opportunity, you'll regret it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and, last but not least, leave a comment below to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm really excited about this opportunity because it will allow you to make a lot of money just by reading. Before I walk you through the step-by-step process though, I want you to take a look at this, as it will demonstrate how much money you can make by reading. You won't need any prior experience, technical know-how, or certifications to carry it out. Look at this, $1,000 for 30 minutes, or up to 45 minutes, and we simply estimated the higher end of that. We'll need an hour and 45 minutes, and continuously make $1,000 on the minimal fix. So if we divide $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, you'll be able to earn $22 per minute for an hour, or $1,000. Now picture working for 1 hour and making $1,000. I'll show you how to do it, but you must watch the entire video because I'll show you a few tactics and how to join up, get accepted, and make more money even if you spend the least amount of time. This is important, so please pay close attention. Many people do it incorrectly, and as a result, they don't make any money. I don't want that to happen to you. So first, a little background information. You'll see that they've been highlighted on the Microsoft Shopify Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Urdu, Cisco, and the Los Angeles Times once you arrive on this page. A lot of huge brands and companies are unquestionably legitimate and will pay out to people every day. We can receive all of the payments via PayPal, a check, or a direct deposit into your bank account. Basically, these websites will provide me with a range of tasks from various categories, and I'll show you which ones will pay the most. You can also select from a number of projects, and I'll show you how they appear. Once you've selected your preferred project, they'll give you the script, templates, book, and all of the words that you'll read word for word. You'll then have to record your voice, and they'll pay you based on how long the project is. You may do it for 20 minutes, an hour, or however long the project is because these platforms have endless work. There are many websites out there where you can do some jumps, but they are inconsistent, so you may not be making a living. The second question I received was, what if I don't have a microphone? This is because your other job is so limited, but on voices.com, there are so many categories and jobs that you can choose from. Even if you only have 5 minutes a day, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes, you can still choose from a variety of options. You can do it and earn all of this money right away by reading. Because all you need is a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone, Android phone, or record using your voice by speaking on your phone. And you don't have to reveal your face or identity because they will only use your voice on the ebook, audiobook, television, and videos. They want to hire people like you and me to read all of these words and scraps out loud because we don't even need to write anything. All we need to do is read all of the books and articles. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Give it a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video so far. And if you found this video to be interesting and useful, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. It's time to get back to work and start earning some money. So let's head over to the website where I'll walk you through how to sign up, get accepted, and get verified. I'll also show you how to find the best projects that will pay you the most money, how to apply for jobs, and how to get paid quickly after watching this video. So first and foremost, I want you to click the sign up icon in the top right corner of the website. When you do, 2 choices will appear. Right now, find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects. In this case, we're going to use the second option to enter our name, email address, phone number, and username. You can enter anything here. All you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions and click the continue button. Alternatively, you can just log in with your Google account. After you log in, your dashboard will display a variety of jobs, including e-learning explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are many different categories to choose from. So right now I'm going to show you which categories have the most jobs that are ideal for beginners and that are employed in nations like the United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. The first category you should pick is audiobooks. Explainer videos will pay you the second most money, and video games will pay you the third most money. Because these are the top 3 categories with the most employment and the most money for the least amount of time invested, I'm going to focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games. You can see the language section and see that they accept people who want to read online from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India. They still want to hire you, so no matter where you are. As an example, we're going to select audiobooks, which will open a new page with some examples of people working online from all over the world who are generating money at voices.com. They're both men and women from various nations right now. I'm going to show you some of the work options that are available once you log in. As you can see here, there are a lot of occupations that you can engage in, so let me scroll down. They'll keep refreshing this page every day so you can keep signing in and seeing which ones you prefer. As I previously stated, the most popular jobs pay the most money. So we'll choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you get paid $1,000 every time you complete one project. They'll show you who the client is, what their age is, whether they're male or female, and some of the work duties they expect you to perform. They'll also give you the script for free, and all you have to do is read it out, and you'll be paid for it. You'll receive a script to utilize when recording on your phone from them. This program is accessible on the Google Play Store and the Apple Program Store, and voices.com is an excellent place to start. You have the option of recording your voice, and you can read them aloud if you wish. As you can see, even if you are from different parts of the world, if you enjoyed this one, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. If you have any further queries, feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in more videos with similar content, check out some of mine.